In LightWave, a point light is a light type that shines light in every direction. So the only thing that you really need to do with a point light is move it around so that you can determine where you want the light source to be. But rotating it does absolutely nothing since light is shining from all directions. I'm going to go ahead and do a render. And what we can see is with the light sitting here in the room, we're getting light shining in all directions. And right here we've got a really crisp shadow. So point lights produce very hard line shadows. Now if we want the attributes of a point light where it's light shining in all directions, but we want soft shadows, we can take advantage of the spherical light type. So if I go over to light properties and change my light type from point to spherical with a size of 0, if I do a render, I get the exact same result. So a spherical light with a size of 0 is the same as a point light. Now if I start to size up the light, so let's do 0.5 and do a render, I have light shining in all directions, but my shadow is much softer. So the larger I make the light, let's go 2 meters, the larger I make the light, the softer the shadows. So if you start to get a little bit of the noise in here, some grain, all we have to do is up the quality. So I'm going to take it from 4 and let's do 9. And as you can see, we've reduced the noise or grain coming in the shadows, and we've done that with the quality setting. So again, a spherical light is basically a point light and an area light kind of blended together because you have the attributes of a point light with the shadow quality of an area light. So the larger the spherical light, the softer the shadows, and if you go all the way down to 0, you're basically turning a spherical light into a point light. So that's just a quick look at the spherical light type in LightWave layout.